Are you looking for an affordable, non-powered hydraulic patient lift? The manual hydraulic patient lift by Medline is a great option. My name is Jeff, I'm a product expert here at MedMart, and I've been a registered nurse for over 25 years. This lift features a 400-pound weight capacity and it accommodates either a 4 or 6 strap sling. The cradle swivels 360 degrees, so it allows you to do a lot of different kinds of transfers with this. It does feature an adjustable base, which using a lever allows me to widen up the arms for going around things like wheelchairs, around bedside commodes, toilets, things like that. Keep in mind, when you're talking about moving a patient lift like this around, it is nice having oversized casters. It does narrow up to kind of make it easy to turn around things. But keep in mind, it makes it easier if you're on tile, wood flooring, linoleum, something like that. If you do have carpet, a couple things to consider. One is the weight of the patient that I'm moving, how thick is the carpet, how thick is the padding. So all that kind of factors in together. So if you are, let's say 150 pounds, you're trying to move someone that's 200 pounds at approximately 80, 90 pounds for the weight of the lift itself, and you're going over carpet with thick padding, that's probably going to be difficult. So you have to keep that in mind and make sure you're considering the right use, the right lift for the right use. So in order to be able to adjust the arm of the patient lift, basically it's a very simple hydraulic pump. So by cranking this down in increments, it gives me the lift that I need for the patient. And simply a little valve here that I have to just slowly turn. When the weight's on there, it will bring the patient down gently. So if you do have a lot of movement, as you're moving around from chair to bed, for example, you keep in mind you do have to possibly crank this a couple times to kind of adjust the patient a little. But this is kind of the original design of the Hoyer lift. The Ted Hoyer patient lift was originally designed just like this with a hydraulic pump, and this is the design that's been tried and true for many years. This actually has a great range. It'll go down low to the ground, almost if you had to pick somebody up off the ground, you could. And it does elevate quite high for clearing different, like the bedside of a rail of a hospital bed, over an air mattress, things like that. If you are dependent on a patient lift to be used all day, every day for either multiple patients, multiple moves throughout the house, or possibly you're traveling, my first choice might be an electric lift. But if that's not an option, the manual hydraulic patient lift from Medline is a great, economical, and functional choice. Keep in mind, there are a few different things that have to be assembled in this, so all the bolts you see on here do have to be assembled, so just make sure you have someone to kind of help you with that when you do get this patient lift. If you have any questions about this lift or any other lifts we have on our website, our product navigators are standing by and ready to help. Give us a call or browse our website here at medmart.com.